Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything you need to know about creating natural sounding voices from text. Let's get started. From the home page, select the text to speech option. Now, select the language of your choice. Remember, if you choose non-English languages, you can type in the native script of that language. Every language has a different set of speakers. You can preview each of these voices by clicking on the play button right next to the speaker. Once you've decided on the voice you want to go with, select the speaker. A blue box appears around the selected speaker. Now, type in your text into the box and click on Create. Your generated voice will appear right here. You can click on the play button and preview your recording. If you want to download your voice, just click on these three dots and you can download the audio file. Otherwise, the audio file is available here in your project section. You can use these voices in any of your videos. Check out the video on the audio timeline to know how you can do this. That's it for today.